Hello, my name is Lillian Berger. I currently work as a nanny household organizer for a family who have been in the grips of health trauma for 3 years. Mom has had her ovarian cancer return to her lungs, and they have a 6-year-old and a 2.8-year-old. So it's been very interesting. I've been working with them for about 8 months now, and it's been a great experience learning how to use my undergraduate studies in psychology as well as my ECE um, courses that I took in helping the family maneuver through this very tough time and the changes that take place at any given moment. Uh, in my past courses for this master's, the thing I think I've enjoyed the most is learning from the other students who are already working within different areas of social work. And it's been great hearing, firsthand experiences of their dealing with the different avenues of social work. What do I look forward to the most? Um, I think from this particular course, I'm looking forward to understanding the process by which we as individuals can actually help make policy changes, help bring laws to the table, and make serious changes for our society that can improve things for the for all populations that exist within our society. I'm looking forward to interacting with all of you, including you, Professor. Thank you.